a busy day. It was a busy day on the railway. All the engines were working hard, hoping to try their best. Some even pulled a branch line, or even other things. They pulled their express coaches everywhere they go. In fact, Jordon and Boris became very useful engines and stopped acting mean. Although they did hate the trucks out of all things. Come along, they fussed. They were so cross. Max wasn't going as fast as he used to, but he was hurrying with his work. Max was completely rushing. He had no time left. He would stop. All the trucks getting up in the back. Great, just great, said Jordon. I always have to be stuck with these stupid trucks that doesn't even do anything but just tease me around and stuff. I'm tired of this. You're the one who gives us disrespect, said one of the trucks. Besides, we're tired of you boning in and moaning. Stop the argument, said Jordan's driver. We're making up for lost time, and we're not rushing it that fast. And also, you guys need to stop bumping engines. And heck, even if they didn't do anything to you, you still bumped them. And as for you, Jordan, you need to be more impatient and treat trucks a lesson. Maybe they wouldn't be mean to you and the other trucks. Maybe teach them a lesson, that's all. Jordan was still cross, and he left with a whoosh. Jordan was moving to snap. 2 of the trucks were left behind. What was that? Said his driver. Nonsense. We gotta keep going, said Jordan. But Jordan's driver heard a loud thud snap noise, but Jordan didn't. Sam was just heading on the same line where Jordan's half trucks were left behind. Whoa, said Sam's driver, and he began to slow him down. What is that? Said Sam. Is that one of Jordan's trucks? The driver got out. I think it is. The driver got out of Sam and went to see. It is! Because Mr. James said it was his special job today. How did it even uncouple anyway? Said Sam. I have no idea, said the driver. But we must tell Mr. James. He'll be very cross about this. So Sam went back to tell Mr. James. Later, Jack was told to collect the train. So off Jack went to collect it and ran into the docks. That night, Mr. James spoke very mad at. He was very mad at Jordon for doing such a thing. Shouldn't have rushed your work today. Took your all time usefully. But nope, you just had to rush it. This happens again, I might as well paint you green or plain. Actually, I might paint you pink. Jordon didn't like that.